Welcome to Investing 101, Episode 2. How much money do you need to retire? The answer depends on your lifestyle. Let's look at 3 scenarios. Financial experts use the 25 times rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. That's your retirement number. Why 25? It's based on the 4% rule. You can safely withdraw 4% of your retirement savings annually without running out of money. Let's see 3 examples. Situation 1. Conservative lifestyle. Annual expenses are $40,000. The retirement amount needed is $1 million. You can withdraw $40,000 yearly from your $1 million. Situation 2. Moderate lifestyle. Annual expenses $60,000. Retirement needed is $1,500,000. You withdraw $60,000 yearly from your $1,500,000. Situation 3. Higher lifestyle. Annual expenses is $80,000. Retirement needed is $2 million. You withdraw $80,000 yearly from your $2 million. Notice, doubling your expenses doubles your retirement number. This is linear. Your retirement goal depends directly on how you want to live. To find your retirement number, Step 1. Calculate your annual expenses. Add up housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. Step 2. Multiply by 25. That's your target. Example. If you spend $50,000 yearly, you need $1,250,000 to retire. This seems large, but remember, you have decades to save. Compound interest does the heavy lifting. We'll show you how in the next episode. Your retirement number isn't fixed. As your life changes, recalculate it. But having a target keeps you focused. Now you know your retirement goal. Next, we'll show you how compound interest makes reaching it possible and how to do it using cost averaging. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Click the links below to start investing today.